To grow, we need to stretch. And that's why we are moving into a bigger space in January 2020.
Wow!
Here are 3 reasons to look forward to our new space at Bukit Timah Shopping Centre.
We love gathering feedback from our students and parents. We heard you. At our new place, we're happy to share that makeup arrangements will be more comfortable in a bigger space.
We know that the students are not the only ones who are hardworking. In fact, the parents are just as hardworking. And that's why we are bringing the parents workshops as well as seminars at our new venue. So stay tuned.
We are still as accessible by train and bus. Drop-off and pick-up will also still be as easy as before. In fact, we are just 5 minutes away from the train station. Check this out! Excited about our new space? Look out for it in January 2020.